Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Nida Konen, daughter of Sheikh Mujahid. Recently, I have completed my intermediate first year from TGMRJC Manthani Girls 1. I secured 464 out of 470 with the grace of Allah. I am very thankful to Almighty and Chief Minister Revant Reddy Sir and President of Temris Fahim Qureshi Sahab and Secretary of Temris Tafsil Iqbal Sahab. I am very much thankful to my parents and my principal ma'am Asma Jabin ma'am who supported me in every situation, and up to 10th I studied in Urdu medium, and in intermediate I entered into Temris, that in English medium. I felt very much phobia regarding subjects. That phobia is cleared by my principal ma'am and JLs. And finally, Alhamdulillah, I secured 464 in first year. I'm expecting this support for my further studies from this Temris, and especially I am thankful to Secretary Sir who provided us integrated control, and inshallah I will score good marks in second year too. And finally, thanking you all.